a little dirty. Alright, gonna hold on a second. I'm gonna pull it forward and pull it in the driveway to wash it. Check the brakes today on it. Look brand new, which is good. It's gonna get a vacuum out, as you can see. Just a little bit of grass and all that down there. Not feeling too well right now, but clean this whole truck up and getting new plug wires for it today. If I can't get the same Summit ones, I'll get some other ones, and then I'll get Summit racing equipment plug wires for it that the previous owner had on here. But this is how it runs with one wire that's messed up. You can't really tell. I'm not sure in the video or not, but you can tell back here somewhat. I don't know if I can get the camera to stay or not, but you can hear how waving to my neighbor, but you can hear how the idle's off. It's just fluxing just very little. Watch if it will pick it up. But when you put it in drive or something, you can feel the truck shaking a little bit. And the acceleration is horrible now that it has that wired bad. It's number 6. So, but we'll get her fixed. And we'll get her all fixed up and good as new again. This truck runs awesome when everything's working. Only problem we've had out of it? Nothing. Alright, let me take you out of zoom. But yeah. Shut her down and then get the new plug wires, and she'll run like the day we got her. I'm doing an oil change here soon, another one, because the oil is getting about ready. But alright guys, just doing a before vid before get the new plug wires, let y'all see how it sounded. Alright, take care. Peace.